Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on the Quire. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to search it on the Google, and after that we have to click on this option. So as you can see now, the link is open. Simply we have to click on this link, and after clicking on this we have to wait 50 seconds until it load. So as you can see now it's here. So I'm going to click on the got it, and let's click on the sign up for free. So we have to click on this option, and we have to create our account. As you can see, I'm going to click on the continue with Google. So let's click on the continue with Google, and after clicking on this we need to choose our email address, which email we want to use. For example, I want to use this email, so let's click on this, and after clicking on this we have to wait 50 seconds. So let's click on the continue, and after clicking on the continue we need to wait a few seconds again. So as you can see now we have to choose that which option you want is more suiting to you. I'm going to choose this one. Let's click on the continue. Let's choose the design option here, and then let's click on the continue again. And as you can see now, simply we need to choose the options, like I'm going to list and these options. Let's choose these all, and let's click on the continue again and continue again. Let's click on the you are all set, and after clicking on this, as you can see now your account is created. So in this way you can create the account on the Quire. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can create your account. So see you guys in the next video.